Michelle, simply Michelle. You're watching her on YouTube, and you know she got a vibe for me, she got a vibe for you.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be starting another project in the house. I will be working on my second bathroom. This time it will be a makeover for my girls, but an affordable one, along with some cleaning and some organizing. So if you haven't checked out my first bathroom transformation, I'll be sure to link it. And I'll also be sure to list every item used in the video in case you're interested. With that being said, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and let's jump right into it. Starting off with the bare bathroom besides the linen closet. We just moved in, so we still have stuff that's, thrown in there. Before anything, I have to clean, okay? I cannot stand a dirty bathroom. So I'm just starting off by spraying the tile. This scrubber is clutch, you hear me? It's adjustable and you can just get into the nooks and crannies without having to bend down and hurt your neck and your back. It's a lifesaver, okay? So once I do that, then I'm gonna go in and just spray the tiles and just clean everything, just sanitize everything, because my girls, they make a mess, okay? Kids make a mess, they don't clean up behind themselves, and Clorox does it every single time. So I just wanna make sure that I'm going through everything, cleaning it before we set up the decor. I absolutely love this shower curtain because there's no hooks required and it has a snap-in liner, so you don't have to buy that. The only problem was it was high in length, which I wasn't used to because I'm used to the standard size, and I was afraid of not getting the right measurement, but I'm proud of myself. I did that. And now I'm just adding a little decor. I absolutely love the pumpas with the vase. It's so modern, and I feel like pumpas just really makes any room beautiful and luxury. And then I'm just gonna go ahead and add some decorative balls just to make it look nice. All of this stuff is inexpensive and most of it is off of Amazon, and this was really great to have because it was like a 5-piece, which came with the garbage, it came with the toothbrush holder, the toilet cleaner, a soap dish, and a cup to rinse. So when it came to the wall art and decor, I kind of struggled to find pieces that were lavender. So what I did was I just went out to the store, bought my own canvases, and I just made it fun for myself and just let my hands do whatever they did, because I feel like sometimes when you just create your own DIYs, it comes out better than actually buying a picture, if that makes sense. Not only that, but it can save you a few extra dollars in your pocket. I also invested in some caddies and some storage containers because it's easy for the girls in the morning when they're getting ready for school to know where everything is, and I find that it'll help them stay on track. Let's hope that they will. But being that my oldest is a little older, these are her certain things that I know she'll need: her toiletries, her skincare, her scrunchies, so on and so forth, and I want her to be more organized and just put things back the way they are. Now into the linen closet. Well, it doesn't look like one. I'm just gonna take everything out, and I find that buying storage bins are very helpful. So what I did was just some extra towels and hand towels and sheets and stuff that we don't really use all the time. I just folded them down and stacked them in, and then I'm gonna put them back in there along with, like first aid kits and along with like miscellaneous things.
Would it make you feel better, babe, if I told you I've been feeling things you don't believe in, thinking that I'm seeing things Heart is in the ground and my head's through the ceiling. All the possibilities, losing my ability to know what you're feeling. I've been wondering what you think about. Baby, you don't tell me, so I'm only assuming you don't think I hear you out. But say you're happy long as I'm giving the time that I'm doing. I can never leave you now. But if you feel like walking out, baby, then do it. But the rain keeps pouring down, trouble keeps on coming round. If you tell me you're over it, I'ma tell you I'm over it. If you're hiding what you feel underneath the bitter pill, if you tell me you're over it, I'ma tell you I'm over it. I've been searching for the point of it, moments that we share together losing the meaning. Tell me what the matter is. Feeling like you're fighting me for no fucking reason. Baby, take a break from it. Space from all the petty shit should give you healing. Yeah. But the rain keeps pouring down, trouble keeps on coming round. If you tell me you're over it, I'ma tell you I'm over it. If you're hiding what you feel underneath the bitter pill, if you tell me you're over it, I'ma tell you I'm over it. Simply Shell, simply Michelle. You're watching her on YouTube.